Good evening, everybody. We are going to discuss about the fundamental unit of life. You know very well about that one. The fundamental unit of life is cell. Now, today we are going to discuss about differentiate between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Okay. Here, the first one, prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Okay, we have to differentiate what are the differences between prokaryotic prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cell. Okay, differentiate between prokaryotic cell, eukaryotic cells. Okay, first of all, prokaryotic. The meaning of prokaryotic: pro means before, pro means starting, karyotic means what? Nucleus. Cells. Prokaryotic cells. In prokaryotic, that means the karyotic, pro means what? Starting. These cells are, that means totally not formed before cells. That means before, totally it is not what? It is not developed cells. Prokaryotic cells. Okay, so we have to write what is the major difference of prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell means what? Okay, which cells do not have particular nucleus. In this cell do not have particular nucleus. That means not nucleus option. Either that nucleus is not bonded. That means it is not bonded with what? Nucleo envelope. Okay. What is the meaning of prokaryotic? Prokaryotic cells, which cells do not have particular nucleus is called prokaryotic cell. In that, the particular nucleus is absent. Prokaryotic cells. The nucleus is not bonded. For example, this is cell. Focus here. This is cell. In middle of the cell, nucleus is there. This nucleus is covered with what? Nucleomembrane. Inside the nucleomembrane, genetic material, DNA, nucleoplasm, DNA, everything is there. That means this is particular distinct nucleus. This is what? The nucleus is covered with what? Nucleoenvelope. But in prokaryotic organisms like, okay, bacteria. For example, these are the prokaryotic organisms. Examples are bacteria. In bacteria, nucleus is not covering with nucleoenvelope. That means nucleoenvelope means what? Not bonded. It is not covering. It is not covering with what? Nucleoenvelope like this. Just genetic material is present. That means it is not having distinct nucleus. So that type of organism, that type of cells we can call prokaryotic cells. That means in prokaryotic cells, nucleus is not developed. Nucleus is not covered with nucleoenvelope. And one more point. In prokaryotic cells, it do not have what? Especially in a cell, generally nucleus, okay, Golgi apparatus, endoplasm reticulum. So that endoplasm reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, mitochondria are absent. Right, understand? There is no just this is what? These are absent. These endoplasm reticulum, Golgi apparatus, okay, lysosomes, mitochondria are absent in these cells. Are cytoskeleton also absent? Cytoskeleton also absent. Why? Because these are absent in these cells. We have observed this type of prokaryotic cells in unicellular organisms, especially in some of the unicellular organisms we are observed, like in bacteria. Okay, some of protozoans we will observe this type of prokaryotic cells, and human being mature RBC, in mature RBC also what, this is the example of prokaryotic cells. In the nucleus is absent. That means what is prokaryotic cell? In which cells do not have nucleus? Which cell do not have particular nucleus is called prokaryotic cells. That means nucleus is not developed. Pro before nucleus का before है. Okay, so the before nucleus these cells are developed. Okay, that's why we can call what, these are prokaryotic, which do not have particular nucleus is called, that is prokaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells are not bonded with what, nucleo envelope. Example, bacteria, in that endoplasm reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, mitochondriums are absent. Not cytoskeleton system also absent, and we are observed especially prokaryotic in unicellular organisms. We are observed prokaryotic cells, and human being mature RBC, very important. In mature RBC nucleus is absent. Try to very important this part. Here U means real. Karyotic nucleus cell. In this cell having what, distinct particular nucleus. Particular nucleus is there, so that it is called eukaryotic cells. These cells are having distinct nucleus. In middle of the cell, distinct nucleus. That means the nucleus is covered with what? Nucleo envelope. For example, this is nucleus. This nucleus. The nucleus is covered with what? Nucleo envelopes. Okay, so that's why, especially for this is we can call, especially for eukaryote. Eu means what? Distinct, particular, distinct nucleus. Particular nucleus. In these organisms, it consists what? Distinct nucleus. That means the particular nucleus is the developed nucleus. Developed nucleus. And also in these cells, whatever we are observed, these type of cells. Okay, and second point, the nucleus is covered with what? Nucleus is covered with nucleo envelope. That is envelope. Okay, and third point, we are observed these type of cells in multicellular organisms. In multicellular organisms, except human beings RBC, remaining all cells. Okay, in phloem sieve cells also, what a phloem sieve cells also, nucleus is absent. That is the example of prokaryotic cell. And multicellular organism, most of the 99% of what cells are, it consists of what? Particular distinct nucleus. So that in multicellular organism we are observed nucleus. And in these cells we are observed, what we are observed? Particular all cell organelles. All cell organelles, like cell organelles are present. Cell organelles are present. What are cell organelles? Like mitochondria, Golgi bodies, endoplasm reticulum, ribosomes large in size, here very small in size. Everything is there. All cells are present in eukaryotic cell. Developed nucleus. We are observing eukaryotic cells. Example, all multicellular organisms. Example, all multicellular human being cells, nerve cells, all types of cells we are observed eukaryotic cell. But prokaryotic cells, or which is do not have particular nucleus, which is not bonded with particular nucleus envelope, that is what especially we are observed some type of bacteria in unicellular organisms. Okay, stop.